set up 9-night pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin people.
Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out round 2 of the Stormzy versus Wiley clash. Alright, so today we'll check out Wiley, Eediyat, Skengman 2. So let's begin now.
You see, like, when man was with the Margie and that, like, you get me, like, so no disrespect.
Yeah, no disrespect, bro.
Your mum's a dickhead, bro.
What? Your mom's a dickhead?
Dickhead.
Ask your mum where she knows me from. Broski, I'm the coldest don. Where was you when you wrote this song? You was looking for a motive, Don. I've done more for you than your dad has. You didn't cheat my dad, so don't backtrack. My little bro shouldn't have sent, and that's facts. But nice me, you got a face. Mike, you ain't slapping anybody in the face. I will spray up your house and be proud. Whole street looking, could the shots them allowed. Tell all your man they better sit back down, cause this Mac 10 ain't got a friend in town. We called the doors up, even your mum's one. Hold on, you and your mum owe me a lump sum. Hold on, you and your mum should come and see me. Bring a suitcase of money, guys, like you wanna be me. Dead. All in farm if you're dead. You're caught up in the circle of bread. If I see your mum down Croydon Market, I'm gonna rip that weave off her head. Dead.
The man I use his mum hard in this one, bruh. Man I use Stormzy mum hard in this one, bruh.
Man can't bully my dad. If they ever try to think like that, then man dead. They've all tried killing me, dad, I ain't dead. Rasta, ballad, skinner than dread. Yeah. Enough said, but you can't get your new girl out of your head. Purchase a go up on the little man them. That's something that I shouldn't have said. It's not my business, in fact. You gotta keep your image intact. This is grand, this ain't rap. Come and get your boy off the ropes, no cap. Me, the career resurrector. You wouldn't be nothing without scepter.
Yeah.
The Wiley flow was just a par, but revenge is sweet just like nectar. I'm Achilles, you're Hector. I could win it both ways, G, I bet ya. I'm outside, ready for the outside, saying wheel it up, my selector.
Wheel it up.
Clash Stormzy, what's all this? I said, with Big Mike, it shouldn't be this, but without us, he wouldn't exist. That remix was taking
because, well, when I look at it, you know, when they have the veteran, them, without the veteran, the youngie one, them couldn't exist for real. And it's not really a lie still, because them set the foundation for the new generation, which Stormzy one of the new generation. You see me, what?
Yeah, them man, they was taking the piss. Next time, none of you are faking the mix. You ain't from the village, you're a faking the bit. Delightful, go beat your jaws on your tour, but Michael, mine's not yours anymore. You're not on the dance floor anymore. I'm somebody that you can't ignore anymore. Club night, bring 24 in, raving in foreign. You man, them ain't sure anymore. This is grind, my bro, it's not four to the floor. All my war dubs, them are awkward and more. You don't wanna see me get crazy, Mike. My mind works well, it's not lazy, Mike. Everybody thinks that grime is sneaky till man writes a thing like crazy, Mike. I ain't chatting for the fun, it's not laser, Mike. You better sit down, but you wanna raise it, Mike. So many people try to vex, you can't bring Ed round there, save it, Mike. I said this thing ain't really meant for you. I don't know why I ain't already sent for you. You older dons that put you on, I swear they should be collecting rent from you. My brother, some of us can't be controlled. I laid foundation for the key.
You older dons that put it on for you, they should be collecting rent from you. Oh my God.
Stop moving funny around us. I'll change the locks, now your keys are old. If it's urban, it's all mine. Shut up. Can't tell me nothing cause I came from the gutter. Before you was trying to bread and come across like a nutter. Now you're gone soft like butter, it's a shame. Me and you are friends, but you wanna move lame. 2 2s, you know we ain't the same. I run the show, yes, I run the game. Get out my way, hey.
Okay. Alright. Alright guys. My sister Wiley come out harder and part 2. Not gonna lie, part 2 to me is much better. He actually put in, he can fifth and put in a little bit more effort, but I don't think he really give it 100% yet. Honest to God, because normally when you clash somebody, you deserve to destroy them fully. I don't feel like Wiley fully giving 100% yet. They got me like, them to me, if I want them barely at them time, bring it up from make more and more song against each other. I got a feeling that them probably I do, but this one was better than the first one, not gonna lie. I like the rhyming and everything, but in this up Stormzy mom, plentiful in this one, bro. Plentiful. It's about 20 times it's called Stormzy mom. This shit was crazy. But anyway guys, this is the end of the version video. Enough love, peace.